relief for AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal. A Delhi court remanded Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to judicial custody till the 15th of April in the money laundering case related to the alleged liquor policy scam case. Special CBI Judge Kaveri Baveja of the Rouse Avenue Court passed the order after Enforcement Directorate did not seek further remand. In fact, this is what was apprised to the court. We are asking for judicial custody subject to the right of asking further custody as per Supreme Court judgment in the Senthil Balaji case. This is what the Enforcement Directorate told the Rouse Avenue Court. And Times Now, in fact, has accessed ED's remand note, which claims that Kejriwal is not cooperating. He is giving evasive replies, and there's a possibility of evidence tampering as well. Sagarika is going to take us to the rest. Yes.
We've accessed the remand note, Swati, and in point number 13, what does the Enforcement Directorate says? It says that during custodial interrogation of the arrestee, which is Arvind Kejriwal, his multiple statements were recorded. He is found to be giving evasive replies and concealing information during the custodial interrogation. During the period of custody, statements of the arrestee have been taken on 9 days. The arrestee has been interrogated and questions were asked on the findings of the investigation. The arrestee was confronted with statements of different witnesses, approvers, and other co-accused who have revealed the role of the arrestee. Few of the glaring examples of his evasive and misleading replies are as follows. So here the ED is detailing how Arvind Kejriwal is giving evasive replies. On being asked about the extent of interaction and reporting of Shri Vijay Nair to the arrestee, he stated that Shri Vijay Nair didn't report to him but to Miss Atishi and Shri Saurabh Bharadwaj, and his interaction with Shri Vijay Nair was limited. So ED in its remand note, talking about what Arvind Kejriwal says, has spoken about how Arvind Kejriwal says that Vijay Nair did not report to him but reported to Atishi and Saurabh Bharadwaj. He also went on to say our statements of Vijay Nair himself reveals that he stayed in a cabinet minister's bungalow and worked from the camp office of the chief minister. It was also to put to the arrestee to explain that why would someone who reported to other leaders of AAP work from his camp office, which anyways is meant for the work of the chief minister of Delhi and not for the party. Shri Arvind Kejriwal evaded replying to this by claiming unawareness to the persons who work at the CM's camp office. It is noteworthy that Vijay Nair is not some small-time volunteer of the Aam Aadmi Party, but is its head of media and communications. He was also shown different WhatsApp chats showing the involvement of Vijay Nair, who was a close associate of the arrestee and lived and worked very closely with the arrestee. The arrestee has not answered the question posed to him by questioning the authenticity of digital evidence shown to him. The arrestee also did not reveal the passwords of his digital devices, which inhibits the evidence collection and also shows his non-cooperation. So non-cooperation, evasive replies, and there is an attempt by Arvind Kejriwal to conceal information in terms of not giving passwords of his digital devices. This is the charge made by the ED in its remand note, Swati.
All right, Sagarika, thank you for getting us the details. Let me take that across to Bhavtosh and Priyank. To Bhavtosh first. Bhavtosh, Enforcement Directorate saying, while in custody, the standard response has been, I don't know. So Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal remains evasive to most of the questions that were posed to him in the ED custody.
Yes, that's one of the points that have been raised by the Enforcement Directorate, that since he has been very non-cooperative and evasive, there is no point taking further custody of Arvind Kejriwal. Importantly, in this remand note, there is another important point, is that the income tax, which carried out the first set of raids in January 2022, had already, in fact, gathered evidence against some Hawala operators, and when ED had put across this evidence and electronic evidence before Arvind Kejriwal, he refused to, in fact, answer any of the questions. Importantly, when statement of N.D. Gupta was produced before or shown to Arvind Kejriwal, he told the Enforcement Directorate officials that he is confused. Now, among all the information or everything that was shown to Arvind Kejriwal, he showed unawareness, or he said that these things are very ambiguous, and that is the reason why they surrendered the custody of Arvind Kejriwal. One has to wait and see whether CBI will be taking his custody or not. So very dramatic turn of events that happened in the morning.